In this video, you will learn how to arrange graphs side by side in Microsoft Word. Currently, you can see here I have arranged these graphs side by side in Microsoft Word. You will also learn how to insert caption in these graphs and how to save these graphs in the form of picture. So let's start this video. Firstly, save your graph in the form of picture. If you are using any statistical software, you can save those graphs in the form of picture. In this video, I will use the graph of Microsoft Excel. So firstly, I will save these graphs. But before that, I will remove the border. Select this one. After selecting this one, go to Format option. And here you will find the option of Shape Outline. Select this one. From here, I will choose New Outline. Now, I will save this graph in the form of picture. Select this graph. Right click. Here you will find the option of Save as Picture. Select this one. I will save this graph on desktop. So I will choose desktop. After that, click on Save. Repeat this procedure for rest of your graphs. This one is the second graph. I will select this one. After selecting this one, right click. Save as picture. Picture 2. And I will save on desktop. So I will select desktop. Click on Save. This one is our third graph. Select this graph. Right click. Save as picture. Select the location. I will select desktop. Rename your picture and click on Save. Similarly, I will select fourth one. Click on this graph, right click, again go to Save as Picture option. Rename your picture and select the location. I will choose desktop again and click on Save. Now I have saved all these graphs in the form of picture. Now open your Word document. Now I have opened a Word document. After that, I will go to this Insert option. And under Insert option, you will find the option of Table. Select this one. In this case, I am interested to arrange 4 graphs side by side. So I will select 4 boxes. You can select these boxes according to your requirement. After selecting these boxes, click here. Now you can see here we have successfully inserted table. Now click this box, first one. Go to Insert option. And here you will find the option of picture. Select this one. And under picture you will find the option of this device. Select this one. And select your pictures which we have recently saved. Desktop. And we have saved these as picture 1, picture 2, picture 3 and picture 4. Firstly, I will select picture 1. After selecting this one, go to Insert option. And our graph is inserted in this table. Now again select this graph. And here is the option of picture format. Select this one. You can resize your picture using this option. I will select 2.5 inches. And here I will select 3 inches. Now click on second box and repeat this procedure. Go to Insert option, Picture option, select this device, locate your picture, picture 2 and go to Insert option. Now resize this picture using this option which is the size. I will again select 2.5 and here I will select 3 inches. Click here, click on third box and repeat this procedure. Go to insert option and go to this picture option, this device. Locate your picture. I will select picture 3. After selecting this picture, click on insert. Now again select this picture. Go to picture format and from here I will choose 2.5 and 3 inches. Now click here. Again go to insert option. Go to picture option. And from here I will choose this device. Select picture 4. After selecting this one, click on insert. Now select this one. Go to picture format option and here you will find the option of size. From here I will choose 2.5 and this one is the 3 inches. If you are facing any problem while adjusting this size, go to this option which is the down arrow key. From here deselect this lock aspect ratio. Click on OK. Now you can easily adjust its size. For example, I will select 2.5 and here I will choose 3. Now you can see here we have successfully arranged 4 tables. After that, click on this 4 arrow sign. Right click while place your cursor here. Here you will find the option of table properties. After selecting this, you can also go to this table layout option and here is an option of properties. You can use any of these options. Here you will find the option of border and shading. Select this one. From here, make sure you have selected table in apply to and from here I will choose none. After that, click on OK. Again on OK. Now you can see here we have successfully changed the border. Now you will learn how to insert captions. Select this graph. Place your cursor on this graph and right click. Here you will find the option of insert caption. Select this one. From here you can choose label. You can choose table, figure or equation. I will choose figure. From here you can adjust the numbering. For example, you can insert number in this form. You can insert alphabet or others. I will choose this one. Click on OK. Here is the option of new label. You can insert new label using this option. Click on OK. Now I will select this one. Go to Home tab. I will deselect this italic. Bold this one. Change its font size. And select the location, center. Select second graph. Right click. Go to insert caption option. Figure 2 is automatically selected. Click on OK. Similarly, select third picture. Right click. Go to insert caption. Click on OK. Select fourth one. Right click. Go to insert caption. Figure 4. Click on OK. Now I will format this one according to this one. Select this one. Double click on this format painter option and click on this. Now I will deselect this option. If you want to write anything else, you can use the text box option. Go to insert option and here you will find the option of text box. From here, go to this draw text box option. You can draw text box here and you can write anything. I don't need this text box, so I will delete this one. After doing all these tasks, again click on this 4 arrow key. Place your cursor here and right click. Now copy this one. Now I will convert this graph to pictures. Click anywhere on this sheet. Now right click. You will find multiple options for paste. I will choose paste as picture. Now you can see here we have successfully converted this graph into picture. If I click on it, now you can see here it shows as a picture. You can also save this one in the form of picture for later use. Select this one, right click. You will find the option of save as picture. Select this one. You can rename this picture and select the location. Click on save. So by following this video, you can easily arrange graphs side by side in Microsoft Word. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.